Hey guys, this morning I was sitting here doing some flat lays on leggings, so I thought, hey, why not make a quick little video and show you guys what we use for our flat lays, how quick it is, and just things like that. Because I know when you're photographing tons of leggings or tons of inventory, it's a bit daunting. So first of all, we got our 19-inch ring light with the iPhone sitting there. Anytime we use our ring light for flat lays, we put this flexible arm and actually bend it at the arm, and we don't use this little mechanism here. When you use this, it tends to strip out because of the weight of the ring light, and eventually it'll be stripped out so much that it'll just flop. So very important to put this in when you're doing the flat lays. Also, we're using this canvas here. The canvas is 36 by 48 inches. You don't have to have one that big, but that's just what we got. We got it at Michael's. I don't remember how much it was, but you can get a smaller one depending on what you're doing. Also, we use a little clicker, this little Bluetooth shutter clicker, so that we don't have to keep pushing the button on there. So that's pretty much our setup, but let me go ahead. Oh, and then if you see right there, you can see the little TC tag. Right now I happen to be photographing tall and curvy leggings, so we put that up there so I don't have to change the size, for whatever I'm doing. If it's one size leggings or TC or whatever, we'll just flip out that little tag there so we don't have to touch the camera once we get it positioned. So let me go ahead and show you a couple and we'll go from there. So for us, we always just fold the legging in half, and then just flop it down there, click, fold it, put it back in the bucket. It's pretty simple once you get going. Just make sure it's nice and flat and straight. Click, keep going. I've not really ever timed myself to see how long it takes to do, a little rack, but once you get set up and get it dialed in, it's super quick. It's pretty simple. And yeah, so I was doing it this morning and I thought I would share it with y'all and show you what I'm doing. So that's how we flat lay our leggings.